Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SurveyMonkey account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact from your SurveyMonkey? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove a contact in your SurveyMonkey anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business running surveys to your users, sometimes they write back with a nasty message, so it might be better just to go ahead and delete them completely. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SurveyMonkey account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SurveyMonkey, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a contact, you're going to click on your username here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on contacts. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all of the contacts you have inside of SurveyMonkey. You can see I just have this one. So if you have a huge list of contacts and you're looking for one specific person, you can go ahead and use the search bar and type in their name or their email. You can also filter out by groups. So for example, this person is in my Mexican restaurant group. Okay, once you do that, I'm only going to see the members in my Mexican restaurant group. And in order to delete contacts, what you're going to do is here on the left side, you're going to see a little box next to their name. Okay, once you click on the box, you're going to see this button here, delete permanently. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, it's going to let you know that this is a permanent action. It cannot be undone. So if you want to survey that person again in your SurveyMonkey, you'd have to re-add them. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on this green OK button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that contact has been removed and deleted from my SurveyMonkey. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in your SurveyMonkey, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.